Hello, this is Drone Defibrillator Team 1, and this is the outside of our final device prototype. Our device includes an audio and visual alert that makes it easier for bystanders to locate a drone-delivered AED.
Our device solves the design problem by using several components to alert bystanders of the location of the AED. A single 9-volt lithium battery powers the entire device. The magnetic activation system connects to the drone and the AED. The gray housing for the magnet will connect to the drone, and the switch is connected to our device's Arduino, which allows the device to activate upon separation from the drone. The LED light strip flashes multicolored lights to provide a visual signal. A waterproof housing made of a plastic box and silicone ensures the device can withstand rainy weather.
The Arduino is the central processing unit that is able to store the device's code to process information from our sensors to automatically activate and deactivate the lights and sound on our device. The speaker plays various frequencies to provide an audio signal to a variety of hearing abilities. The accelerometer causes the device to turn off when it is picked up and transported by the bystander.
To set up the device, place the magnetic sensor in the gray magnet housing component and ensure the battery pack is switched to on. When the switch is separated, the device turns on, flashing the LED lights and playing sounds from the speaker. After a minimum of 10 seconds, if the device is moved, it deactivates.